Sometimes you feel invisible, giving your best to others while hiding tears, silently praying at night, carrying burdens alone, and wondering if anyone sees your efforts or cares about your sacrifices. Every unseen act of love, every whispered prayer, every small sacrifice done in faith, God sees, He notices, and heaven celebrates your silent obedience, building strength for a future you cannot yet imagine. When the world overlooks you, God acknowledges you. When you feel forgotten, heaven is carefully recording every faithful moment, and His presence brings unseen comfort, hope, and restoration to your quiet, resilient heart. Your faithfulness in hidden seasons is not unnoticed. Your consistency, patience, and silent endurance are precious, shaping eternal rewards. And God's gentle hand restores joy, peace, and confidence in ways the world cannot see. Even when no human sees, every tear, every effort, every sacrifice in love matters to God. Your invisible deeds are powerful, and heaven is responding in subtle, miraculous ways to your heartfelt obedience. Trust the unseen work of God in your life. Stay faithful. Continue in love and obedience, for your quiet sacrifices are building visible glory, eternal strength, and restoration beyond what your eyes can perceive. Amen.